Hello and welcome back. And I've been a busy bee, as they say. I've done the bodice now, or the body part of her, with her armour, and as you can see, it looks very nice. Just get the light over here, so we can see it. There we go. And it looks really nice. I'm really pleased with how that turned out, and it looks really good. I managed to get all the detail in the gold and the red, and I shaded it all down, so it looks really good. It looks really nice. And if I can get it up to the camera, there we go. Yeah, you can really see it now, can't you? Really pleased with that. It really looks good. Really happy with it. And of course, I've got Wonder Woman here herself as well. And how this is going to go on there is pretty much like this. And you can see that will look really nice, that will. Oh, just put a finger on it. And if you can see it there, it's really going to set it off. And you can see just how big she is, how tall she's going to be, just by the size of my hands. And you know, this is a normal size bottle. This is about the same size bottle as a Tamiya one. So you know, you can see just how big she's going to get. But this just needs gluing on now, and I'll be gluing that on with some of this stuff here. This is a resin, like a resin glue, Aradite, that's it. And in one tube there's the resin itself, and then in the other tube there's the actual hardener. There it is. The resin's in there, and then the hardener's in there. So then when you squeeze them together, you mix them together, it's like a really good glue. But I'm not going to do that now. I'll do that off camera, because you only have about 5 minutes working time with it, so you really don't have time to entertain anything else really. So after this I'll glue those together. What I wanted to talk to you guys about is what I'm doing next now, which is the body really. So this is her top half. This is what will be going into the bodice, and obviously you can see the body of that, and then there's all various bits and pieces that go with it, like her hands. That's one of her hands there. You know, that's one of her hands there. No, I didn't think the camera would focus on that. And this is one of her cuffs. That's one of her cuffs. And then there's other various pieces with it. And what I need to do with those is to spray those up in primer, and then give them the flesh tone, and then shade them and detail them, and then they'll get stuck onto the body. And then after that I've got to do the whip. So that's really what I've got to do. So I need to go off and prepare my work area for that, and then you guys will see that. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye for now. Hello, how are you doing? Well, I'm all ready now, and I've gone ahead and I've primed everything, as you can see, and everything has got that nice little pink haze to it, and it's all ready for its painted coats. But what I want to talk about is what I forgot on the last one, is I've actually got 3 different colours here. All these ones here, her body, you know, her arms and her other bits and pieces that are here, her fingers and her hands and all that sort of thing, they're all getting sprayed in skin colour, which is this one here. And then there's her, like I don't know what to call them really, but I'm just going to call them, it sort of goes over her hands there, with her fingers exposed, and they're like wraps they are, that go around, you know, her wrists and her hands, and they get sprayed a nice brown colour, because they're leather or they're some sort of cloth. And then there's her gauntlets that go on her forearm shirt, and these get sprayed like a chrome colour, and they'll get sprayed black. And then this very nice stainless steel that I've got. So that's really what I've got to do. But I thought I'd go through the skin colour thing with you guys before I did the other ones, and I'll probably do the other ones off camera as well. So I'm just going to go through the big one with you, and then we'll call it quits there, and then I'll probably go off camera and finish off the rest of it. Because I like to share some of it with you guys, but obviously it gets repetitive after a while, wouldn't you? Spraying the same thing over and over again, and you guys are sitting there waiting for something to happen, and it doesn't really. So that's why a lot of the time I just go off and I just do these things, because I'm really repeating myself over and over again, spraying the same colours, doing the same things. A lot of it really isn't that interesting, and I do like to show you guys some interesting stuff, and obviously the end results. So I got my nice skin colour here, and what I'll do with this is, once I've sprayed it up with this skin colour, I'll then put some shading on it, and I'll then do some detail on it. And the difference between shading and detailing is, shading, you do shading in where it's like the recesses of her skin, so where you got her spine there, that's where you would do shading. But you would do detailing where you can see her, you know, her bones. You would highlight that, and that's the difference, and that's the important thing to do. So I probably will show that to you guys and how I do that. But for now, let's load up my gun with an ammunition type flash and do some spraying, as they say. I'm just literally loading up my gun here. No, you can't see it on screen, but I'm just loading it up now. Now I need to put my mask on, because that's important. We don't want to be spraying without a mask. The sort of mask I use is, I got this one on my latest holiday when I was abroad, and it's a really good one. It is. It's one of those 3M ones. So there we go. Yeah, that's fine. And yeah, let's spray her up. Straight away you can see the difference. I'll show you in the back, I'll show you front. You can see the difference. that's it. You can see just the skin is on there now, and that is ready for highlighting and detail. So I'm going to go on, spray everything else, and you guys, I'll see you guys a bit later when we're ready to do some more detailing and highlighting. Until then, you all take care. Bye for now.